Hello students, greetings of the day. So from today I am going to handle maths for you. Okay. So from today we are going to discuss about the chapter Introduction to Algebra. Since you are entering the 6th standard, algebra is an important topic. In future session, in future classes, you are going to study deeply about algebra. Now in this session, we are going to study basics of algebra. Okay. So by studying algebra, we are going to describe, extend, create numeric and geometric patterns, and also you are going to understand the role of variables, and you are going to use the variables in simple algebraic expressions and equations to describe the relationship. Okay, so first we are going to play a game. Okay, step 1, think a number. You are going to think a number. Okay, and you have to multiply that number by 2. First think a number. So for example, consider 9. You have to multiply that number by 2. What you will get? 18. And you have to add that number with 20. So, you have to add that number, that is 18 with 20. What you will get? 20 plus 18? 38. Next, you have to divide that number by 2. So, 38 divided by 2. What you will get? 1 2 is 2, balance 1, 9 2s are 18. You will get 19. Okay. Next, you have to subtract the number, that is subtract the original number what you had get in step 1. Okay. So 19 minus 9. What you will get? 10. Okay. Okay. So whatever number you thought here, you will get the result as 10. Okay. So consider another example. You can think it as 5. Okay. Multiply that number with 10 with 2. 5 2s are, you get 10. You have to add that number with 20. So 10 plus 20, you will get 30. Next, you have to divide that number by 2. 30 divided by 2. What you will get? 15. 1 2 is 2, balance 1. 5 to 10. Okay, 15. Next one, you have to subtract this number with what you are thought in there. So 15 minus 5, you will get the result 10. Okay, so this is a game for you. So these are all the concepts we are going to discuss in algebra. So these are all the concepts will come under algebra. Okay, so next one we are going to see patterns. So next one we are going to see patterns. Pattern is also another concepts in algebra. So we can study the basic concepts using patterns also. We can study the games and other concepts using patterns. Patterns is easy, understandable to our knowledge. Okay. So patterns can be explained with the help of numbers or in the type of structures or shapes. Okay. So here numbers. First one numbers. Next one shapes. So you consider this as ice cream stick. Okay. How many ice cream stick need to make one W? You need 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 4 ice cream sticks to make 1 W. If you need to make 2 W, how many sticks you need? 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ice cream sticks needed to make 2 W. Likewise, to make 3 W, you need 12. So how will you, without counting this, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, without counting this, how will you use the numbers? How will you put the numbers? With the help of the patterns. Okay. So 1 into 4. How many sticks are 4 into 1? How many W's you need? 1 W. For making 1 W, how many sticks you need? 4 sticks. So 4 into 1, 4. Next, how many W's you need? 2 W. How many ice cream sticks take for 1 W? 1 W takes 4 ice cream sticks. So for 2 W, we have to take 2 into 4. So we need 8 ice cream sticks. So by multiplying 4, you get the number of sticks. Okay. So next, you need 3 W's. For making 1 W, you need 4. So for making 3 W, how many 4s are there? 3 into 4, 12. So to make 3 W's we need 12 ice cream sticks. So these are the kind of patterns. To make the numbers easier, we are going to use patterns in numbers. Okay. Next one, we have to complete this series. How will you complete? Guess how will you complete? See here. This is 12. Next 8. Next 4. You have to complete this sequence. How will you complete? First you have to check what is the relationship between one number and the other number. Okay. So first they are given 12. So 12 here 8. What is the relationship between these two? By subtracting 4 you will get 8. Correct? Next we have to find the same relationship between 8 and 4. So by subtracting the same 4 you will get 4 here. So what is the next number here? We have to subtract 4 from 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. So 4 minus 4, what you will get? 0. So the next sequence is 0. Okay. So likewise you have to complete this. So first one 5, 8, 11, 14. What is the first you have to think and guess what is the relationship between the first number and the second number, and the second number and the third number. Okay. So 5 and 8 you have get the relationship. What is the relationship? Plus 3. So 5 plus 3 8. Next 8 plus 3 the same number. We are going to add the same number so that we are getting 11. So 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 3 14. So 14 plus 3 what do you get? 17. So 17 plus 3 20. So 20 plus 3 23. Like this you have to complete the sequence. Okay. So this is a game. So we are going to play this as a game. Okay, so we are by using this we are going to complete the sequence. So this is the one kind of concept we are using in the algebra. So next one, patterns in number operations. So see here, any number that is for 57 into 1 you are getting 57. That is any number you multiply it by 1, what you will get? The same number. That is, for example, 2 multiply 1 you will get 2. 100 multiply 1 you will get 100. Any number if you multiply with 1 you will get the same number. Okay. Likewise if any number multiply with 0 you will get 0. So for example see here 43 into 0 0. 100 into 0 0. Anything or any number multiple with 0 you will get 0. Okay, don't confuse here. If any number multiple with 1, you will get the same number. Any number multiple with 0, you will get 0. So this is the basic concept. Okay, you have to use this in that is any kind of operations. Okay, so next one, see here. 7 plus 9, you will get 9 plus, that is 7 plus 9 will be equal to 9 plus 7. That is A plus B equal to B plus A. So this is the algebraic operation. Okay, this is an equation. That is A is a variable and plus is a symbol. The next one B is also variable. So variable plus operation, that is plus, minus, into, divide. So these are all the symbols. Okay, these are all the symbols. These symbols included into variables. If these symbols included variable, you will get equation. You will get equation. Okay, so symbols, that is variables plus symbols, you will get equation. So this equation, that is A plus B, patterns in operations. Okay, so these are all the symbols of the operations you will get. That is A plus B will be equal to B plus A. So any number you will add with, that is any other, that is A and B are different number. That is 4 plus 5 you will get 5 plus 4. That is 4 plus 5 you will get 9. 5 plus 4 you will get 9. So A plus B will be equal to B plus A. Okay, A plus B equal to b plus a. This is the one operation. This is the first operation. Okay, that is simple plus. Next one, multiple. See here, 5 into 2 will be equal to 2 into 5. So multiple 5 into 2, you will get 10. 2 into 5, you will get 10. So 5 into 2, you will get 10. 2 into 5 also, you will get 10. So a into b will be equal to b into a. Okay. So the same will be applied for subtraction. That is a minus b will not be equal to b minus a. Why? Because see here, 5 minus 2 equal to 2 minus 5. 5 minus 2 you will get 3. But from 2 can you able to subtract 5? No. So you will get minus 3. So 3 will not be equal to minus 3. So operation a minus b will not be equal to b minus c. Okay. So next one, we are going to understand the operations on variables. So next one, we have to apply these algebraic operations on real life situations. Okay. So consider here, this is our real life situation is given here. We have to apply the algebraic operations, that is patterns on these situations. Okay. So consider here, Madhi is 3 years elder than his sister Nila. So Madhi and Nila are sisters. Okay. So Madhi is 3 years elder than Nila. Elder means what is that? That is old. That is Nila's age is greater than Madhi. Sorry. Madhi's age is greater than Nila. Okay. So if we find Nila's age, and if, we can easily find Madhi's age. Okay. So that elder means she is greater than Nila. Madhi is greater than Nila. Madhi's age is greater than Nila's age. So if you find Nila's age, you have to add 3 with that Nila's age. You can get Madhi's age, right? Okay. So consider here, if Nila's age is 4, what is Madhi's age? I have to add plus 3 with 4. So 4 plus 3, you will get 7. So Nila's age is 4 and Madhi's age is 7. Okay. So if Nila's age is 4, Madhi's age is 4 plus 3 equal to 7. And for example, if Nila's age is 8, consider if Nila's age is 8, you have to add plus 3. Since 3 years elder, so you have to add plus 3. So 8 plus 3 you will get 11. So Nila's age is 8, Madhi's age is 11. Okay, elder means you have to add the Nila's age with 3. Nila's age we have to add plus 3 with Nila's age, so that you can get Madhi's age. So like this we are going to use simple patterns in real life situations. So this is the algebra. So you have to understand where we are using algebra. So we are using algebra in our real life situations even. Okay. So next situation we are going to observe. Next situation, see here. Here you have to frame T. So to frame T, how many sticks you need? How many ice cream sticks you need? You need 1, 2. You need 2 sticks. Okay. So likewise you have to complete this table. So number of T is formed. To form 1 T, to frame 1 T, how many sticks you need? 2 sticks. Okay. Likewise to frame 2T, how many sticks you need? 2 into 2. So you need 4 sticks. Next, to frame 3T, how many sticks you need? 2 into 3. 6 sticks you need. Okay. Likewise, to frame 4T, how many sticks? 2 into 4. 8. If you need K, that is you have to consider this unknown number. Up to unknown number, like that is K or N. So to frame K sticks, how many sticks? To frame KT, how many sticks you need? 2 into K. So this is the one situation. So you have to find the unknown value so that we are consider as unknown number as K, so that we are getting the answer 2K. So this number to be multiplied with 2. So likewise we are using algebra in real life situations. So based on the lesson we are taught so far, we are going to discuss the exercise problems. Okay, so this is in exercise 2.1. Have to do first fill in the blanks. So see here the letters A, B, C and X, Y and so on, X, Y, Z and so on. So X, Y up to Z. So these are used to represent, already I said that A plus B and X plus Y, like that A, X minus Y. So these and all variables. What I have said? Variables. So A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So these are all variables. Next one. A quantity that takes dash values is called variable. This variable can take any value, that is different values. So that is called variable. So different values. Next one. If there are 5 students in a bench, that is one bench has 5 students, then the number of students in a n bench, that is number of students in n bench, 5 into n. There we have seen no, for W, for T, how many T's for to make 2 T, how many T's, how many sticks we need to make 1 T, you need 2 sticks. To make 2 T, you need 2 into 2. Likewise, if you need K sticks, how many K T we need to 2. How many sticks you need? 2 into K. Here K is a variable. Likewise, here dash is a variable. N is a variable. Okay, so this is a value and this is a variable. Okay, how you all understand? That is the letter A, B, C and X, Y, Z are variables, and these variables can take different values, and here 5 into n, so n is a variable here. Okay. So next one, say true or false. Okay, so see here, this is a pencil. Okay, so this is a pencil. That pencil will be split into 2 parts. So this part is A and this part is B. Okay, have you all clear? This is a pencil and this pencil is divided into 2 parts, part A and part B. This is A and this is B. So the whole length of the pencil is 6. So you can consider 6 centimeter. Okay, the whole length of the pencil is 6 centimeter. You have to find and they had given the length of the A. The length of the part A is A. Okay, you have to find the length of the B. They had given the length of B is A minus 6. Is it correct? The length is, the whole total length is 6. The length of the length of part A is A. You have to find B. They had given A minus 6. Is it correct? Wrong. Why? The total, you have to subtract total length from part A so that you can get B. Here they had given A minus 6. It is wrong. If they had given 6 minus A, it is correct. Okay. So this statement is false. Okay, have you all understand? Total length is 6. The part A is A. So for part B is 6 minus A. Okay, so next one, if the cost of an apple is X and the cost of an banana is rupees 5. So the total cost, how you can find total cost? Total cost of an apple plus cost of an banana. So X plus 5. So the total cost of a fruit is X plus 5. Is this statement correct? Correct. True. They have given to find the total cost. So total cost of an apple plus total cost of a banana is the total cost. Okay. So X plus 5. Apple's cost is X and banana's cost is 5. So X plus 5. Okay. So this statement is true. So next one, if there are 11 players, if there are 11 players in a team, then there will be 11 plus Q players in Q team. So whether this statement is true or false? False. Why? One team consists of 11 players. The second team consists of the same 11 players only. It should not consist of 11 plus Q players. Okay. So it is wrong. So this statement is false. Okay. So the next one, draw the next two patterns and complete the table. You have to complete this table. Okay. See here, this is square. So this shape is square and this shape is circle and this is triangle. Okay. So this is first figure and next second one and third one. So see here, shapes, first pattern, second pattern, third pattern, fourth pattern and fifth pattern. So square consists of how many squares in first pattern? Only one square. So 1. Second pattern, 2 squares. So 2. So third pattern, 3 squares. So fourth pattern, it will be 4 squares. And fifth pattern, it will be 5 squares. And circle, only 1 circle in first pattern, 2 circle in second pattern, 3 circle in third pattern, 4 circle in fourth pattern, and it will be 5 circle in fifth pattern. And triangle, 2 triangle in first pattern. Next one, 2 into 2, 4 triangle. Next one, 3 into 2. So 3 figures, each figure carries 2 triangles. So 3 2s are 6. Next, how will you write? 4, there will be 4 diagrams, and so 4 into 2, 8. Next one, 5 diagrams it will be. So 5 2s are 10. Okay. So the next question, use a variable to write a rule which gives the number of ice candy sticks required to make the following patterns. Okay. See here, a pattern of letter C as given. So this you can see it as C. Okay. You can look here. How many ice candy sticks needed to make C? You need 3 ice candy sticks. Okay. So use a variable. You have to make a variable. You can take it as N or K, like this you can take. Okay. So how many sticks you need? You need 3 sticks. So you can make 3N. Why you are using N here? If 1 C, you can take that is 1. Or if you take 2, if you want to write 2C, you can take 3 into 2. So you can fill N as any number. You can fill here N, for N you can take any number, so that you can find, you can take it, you can do as C. Okay. So likewise you have to do M, a pattern of letter M. How many ice candy sticks needed to write M? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write it as 4N. So to make 1M we need 4. To make 2M, 4 into 2. To make 3M, 4 into 3, like that. So by using a variable you can write the number of pattern. Okay. How many patterns we are needing here. So by using the variable we can fill it. Okay. So next one, the teacher forms group of 5 students in a class. How many students will be there in P group? That is, a teacher forms for a single group, she take 5 students. For P groups, how many students we need? 5 into P. So 5 into P. For a single group, she need 5 students. So for P group, how many students we need? 5P. That's all. 5 into P. So for example, if we take 5 as 5 groups, 5 into 5, 25 students will be in 5 group. Okay. So 5P. Have you all understand this? Okay. Next, Arivalagan's age is 30 years younger to his father. So write the Arivalagan's age in terms of father's age. So see here, the unknown age will be taken as N or X, like that. So here you can take N. So father's age father's age is, you can take n. So Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. So Arivalagan's age. Arivalagan's equal to younger. Younger means you have to subtract father's age with this 30 to get Arivalagan's age. So n minus 30. If we subtract n minus 30, you will get Arivalagan's age. How you understand? Father's age is, you can consider as n. If you subtract 30 from n, you will get Arivalagan's age. If Arivalagan is 30 years greater means, that is older means, what we have to do? You have to add n with, you have to add 30 with n. But here they are given younger. So n minus 30, you will get Arivalagan's age. Okay, so answer is n minus 30. Next question, if u is an even number, how do you represent the next even number? Next means 1, that is even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that it will go on. If u is an even number, consider 2 as u. If u is an even number, the next even number means 2 plus 2 plus 2, like that. You have to add 2 with a number so that you can get even number. Okay. So if a number is divided by 2 and if you get a result is 0, that is even number. If you divide by 2, you will get a remainder 1, then that is an odd number. Okay. So you have to represent the next even number. How will you represent? U plus 2. Okay, this is u plus 2. That is 2 plus 2, you will get 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so the previous, next means next. That is next. Previous means the before number. That is, what is the number before 2, 6? How will you do? 6 minus 2, you will get 4. So, u minus 2. U is an even number. If you subtract 2 with that, what you will get? The previous even number. Previous means before number. Next means the next number. After, before. Okay, that is after, this is before. Okay, so the previous means u minus 2. The next even number means u plus 2. Okay, so have you all understand the concepts so far we have discussed? Okay, in your book you have to go through the textbook once and you have to recall it and you have to do the objective type questions. That is an assignment for you. Today's assignment is you have to do the assignment, that is objective type questions in the book back. After the example, they had given the objective question. After the exercise problems, you are given the objective type questions. You have to do that in the next session. Okay, go through it. This is the basic concepts. So you have to go through it once. Okay, thank you.